Hello and welcome to TechFina YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand how you can connect Odoo with Looker Studio. First of all, I presume that you have already purchased the Looker Studio connector by TechFina, and if you haven't yet, I am going to share the link in the description below. In the documentation, you can view all of the details you would like to understand about this module. If you wish to purchase this module from our website, I am going to share the link of the website too. Now let's get back to the topic. Here I have opened up the Looker Studio and I have logged in into my account. Here you can click on create button and click on data source. Now you can see a number of connectors here. First of all, you have to go to the search bar and search for Odoo. In the search results, you can view that Odoo by TechFina is the top module and you can click on it to create the connection. If you don't see this screen, you would see an authorize button. You can simply click on the authorize button and validate your account here. Here now you have to enter the URL and token. Where you can get that? After installing the module in your Odoo, you can see into the settings page. Here I have a Looker connector and I have the connector URL and access token. Simply you have to click on copy button and paste it in your new report. And now you have to copy the token. Paste. Here you have to select either you want to use a SQL query or you want to choose an Odoo table. I'll choose an Odoo table and click on next. Now it will create a connection and you can view all of the tables from your Odoo. Right here you can select the table you'd like to show in your report. Like I'm going to select sale.order.line. After selecting this table, you can click on connect here. Now in the screen you can see that Looker Studio has connected your Odoo here and you can see all of the columns and their data types. You can also change their data type if you wish to do so. Now you can explore also by clicking on this explore button, but I'd like to create a report, so I'm going to click on create report button. It is going to open a new page into Looker. Here you can see that we have successfully connected Odoo with Looker Studio. Now here you can go to create a chart and click on any chart you want to create. I'm going to select pie chart. After selecting pie chart, you can see that it is going to show some data. You can change this data by simply clicking on any other field. Like I'm going to click on create date. You can see that it is going to populate the data as you want. If you wish to add any other table, you can click on add data in the right bottom and you can follow the steps we have just followed exactly the same and you can add a new table here. So that's all for today. If you have any query or any suggestion for this module, feel free to reach out to us at info@techfina.com. Thank you.